Hey there, it's Anthony from Adni. Super excited to share a demo of our product with you. We'll be using one of our live customers, Thrive Staffing, to show you our product. All right, first, let's start with Adni app. This is for our community of nearly 150,000 nurses and allied healthcare workers. On Adni, healthcare workers can engage in a peer-led community where they can trade advice with verified healthcare workers and find different forums and different topics. They can find local events to meet healthcare workers in their area, engage in a peer-led conversation, earn rewards to shop for things like scrubs, nursing shoes, and continuing education, find resources like therapy, housing, and financial health coaching, store their credentials, and of course, find jobs. We'll be using Thrive Staffing as an example to see their profile. This is where healthcare organizations can really just showcase who they are and what their mission is. Every time healthcare workers apply to jobs on Adni, they earn reward points, which you can use in our marketplace to shop. So first, the way that we partner with healthcare organizations is to help them recruit empowered healthcare workers faster and cheaper than ever before through our Engage network and through this really unique gamification system. Second is we white label our software so companies like Thrive can launch their own community to re-engage their own database of candidates and active clinicians. This is fully branded, so you'll see Thrive's logo is here. There is a exclusive community forum. There's a team directory where all of Thrive's team has a profile. You can see events still, you can see the network, you can see Thrive's jobs, you can see candidate referrals, where there's even a unique referral link that clinicians can share with their friends. And when their friends sign up, they'll earn those reward points. Speaking of the points, we have a built-in loyalty program that runs automatically. Healthcare workers can save up their points to be able to shop for things they need like branded merchandise, scrubs, and more. And points are typically locked until a clinician is an active employee with you. Then there's a hub of benefits and resources so that you can compile all of your HR links in a single place to make it super easy for your workers to find what they need. And of course, a full candidate profile, including documents, work history, skills checklist, education, and more. This lives on the web at thrivestaffing.adni.co. And you'll notice that if you go to Thrive's website, you'll see they link to the Adni Powered Job Board on their public-facing website. And then in addition to that, it lives in the App Store as a branded app that healthcare workers can download onto their phone. Thrive can track all of their candidate leads on the admin dashboard. This is a demo account. All the data is fake, but you can see how it works. They can track their candidates. Every candidate has a profile so that you can go in and see who they are. You can give them points, a message. You can see their interests, preferences, career goals, fun facts, all of their information, all of their documents, all in a single place. Additionally, on our automations tab, you can automate the distribution of reward points for things like when a clinician completes their contract, when they're hired, when it's their birthday, their work anniversary, and more, and these run completely autonomously. And then, of course, you can update and edit your jobs via our ATS integration or by going in and editing jobs directly. Last thing that we do to support our enterprise clients is we create marketing content for you that you can access right in the admin dashboard. This content is from our nurse UGC creators. For Thrive, for example, you'll see our creators producing a ton of awesome content, showcasing what Thrive does, who they are, some of the perks, some of their value proposition. And then Thrive can go ahead and post this on their social media channels to really help drive more brand awareness and ultimately more candidates and more placements. So overall, Adni is really building a recruiting and clinician engagement engine. We help you source talent from our community of 150,000 healthcare workers. We help you reactivate your own candidate database through our white labeled communities. And then we help you build your brand on social to really get your agency out there into the world. And we believe that these three pillars are what really makes healthcare organizations be successful with recruiting healthcare talent. I think gone are the days where you can just post a job and get 500 applications. I think that worked during the pandemic, but unfortunately that is not the case any longer. And we really want to have that human touch throughout the recruiting process, which I think it's all about. So with that, let us know if you have any questions. You can go to adni.ai to schedule a call with us if you would like to dive in more. Thank you for listening.